Oh man, so we're here, Griddle More Tour, baby, in Mooresville, North Carolina, having a good time. We've got griddles set up. We've got Jenga over there. We've got cornhole. We've got food. We've got free hats and the Blackstone Griddle throne right here. Who's excited? Let's do it. The Colorado Cajun. I live in Colorado, so I don't make any claim to be a man of the bayou, right? But I would like to think that if I made this for somebody who was, that they would like it. We've had a lot of great feedback about this recipe over the years. And we start out with a andouille smoked Cajun sausage. Andouille sausage, bell pepper, celery, and we got to give this griddle away too. We got to give away the other ceramic dish, so we got a couple more things to give away. Double K, Katie All right, garlic. You ready? Yes. Cajun seasoning, cayenne-based Cajun seasoning. Typically, yeah, it's a cayenne-based flavor. Long grain wild rice. All right, mixing it up. It looks like hot dogs. It's not. It's andouille sausage. Nobody was brave enough to use heavy whipping cream on a griddle. So my other recipe that I made a low sodium version of this, half and half, you know. Here we go. And again, kind of like with the wild rice, not any heavy whipping cream, the heaviest. Cayenne-based Cajun hot sauce. Oh man, look at that beautiful color. I put a little bit of lemon juice in there. We'll give you a little lemon wedge for each one as well. So if you want to add a little extra lemon juice to yours, you can. A little more Cajun seasoning. A free one, who wants it? There you go. Woo! Oh! Sorry. And towards the end, a little parsley. Oh, mama! All right, now we'll mix it up. Oh, creamy goodness. Oh man, we need a winner. Can you draw us a winner?
It's freaking fantastic.
This gentleman shows up. We meet him last year on the tour with his son. They're my my muscle, my bodyguards. You want me to sign it? Yeah. It lowers the value though, you know that. Got to enjoy that 15 minutes of fame. The great griddle giveaway, everybody. Who wants to win it? All you got to do is just give it that shake. All right, here we go. The name that I have chosen today to join Griddle Nation. It's a three-named person. This person was bold enough to put down their middle name, which is Ann. Does anybody here have a middle name of Ann? A-N-N. Is your first name Mary?
Yes!
You won a griddle! Come on! It's you!
I'm going to Disney World!
Oh my goodness! Come on, let's go look at it. Come on. Everyone, out of the way.
Oh my God!
It's only been used for one day. And you gotta take it home. We don't need it anymore. It's yours. There it is. 36 inch. Spray in the front.
That is not what I was saying.
I'm even gonna send you home with some spatulas.
Oh my God!
You're taking it all home.
So
Give it up for Mary. Woo! She won a griddle.
Woo!
Yeah.
This is wonderful. I cannot believe it. I hardly ever win anything. This is great. Thank you. And I'm sorry it's not your family.
Yeah, we're sorry.